Welcome to Lisa's Artistic Studio. I'm so glad you're watching today because I can't wait to share with you how you can paint these beautiful flowers using an angle brush. But the best part is that they are super easy. So let's get started, and don't forget to like and subscribe. For today's supplies, we need a piece of watercolor paper, some angle watercolor brushes. I bought these from Amazon with a set containing several different sizes, but today I will just be using numbers 10, 7, and 5. And then I have this small round brush for some of the detail work. We also need some clean water, a paper towel, and watercolor paints. For my colors today, I am focusing mainly on purples and greens. So here I have a pure violet. Then I have purple mixed with blue for a blue-violet, purple mixed with pink for pink-violet, green, and green mixed with a touch of brown. So before I get into the main painting, let me show you up close how to paint these pretty flowers. First, you're going to dip your brush in some paint and then hold the brush so it feels like it's upside down with the point touching where the center of the flower should be. Then all you have to do is pull the brush straight out and then slightly up at the end to create a point. Then just repeat that process 4 to 6 times until your flower has the amount of petals you want. And that is all there is to it. You can have a beautiful flower in just seconds. So now it's time to apply what we just learned on our main painting. But before we start the flowers, let's add a bit of a light background wash. So wet the center of your paper with water and add some light watered down purple and then let it dry. Now starting with my number 10 brush, which is the largest brush I will be using today, I'm going to paint about 6 or 7 flowers in the center area of the page using a variety of colors. Keep in mind that you want to try to paint the flowers close together so that they touch or even overlap a little bit. Now that I have 7 large flowers done, I'm going to move to my number 7 brush and paint some slightly smaller flowers surrounding the large ones, again using a variety of colors. Now I'm going to use my number 5 brush to finish off this grouping of flowers by adding smaller flowers anywhere that it feels like it needs it. Now that the main part of this painting is finished, let's add some of the details that will change this good painting into a great one. So first, take some green with the small round brush and add a center dot onto each flower. Now, again using the small round brush, take some pure dark purple and paint in some of the white empty gaps that are in between some of the flowers. I am mostly doing this to the center of the painting. This step can really tie your painting together as a whole and also give it some depth. Next, I'm going to take some green and with my angle brushes paint some leaves. These will be painted with the same stroke as the petals, pulling the brush out and up slightly. And for the last step to this painting, I'm going to add some wispy grasses to 4 or 5 different areas using the green mixed with brown. And here are your beautiful and easy flowers using an angle brush. Now that you know the basics, the possibilities of what you can create are endless. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider subscribing to my channel so I can continue to help you discover your artistic side.